Hey, what up, guys? It's Sean Trades here. Hope everyone had a good Easter weekend so far. Market is opening up with a pretty decent gap down, um, with obviously no new highs since we broke the previous 52, 53, 22 highs on ES, and on SPY we broke the 524 highs, and now we are trading at 525 level with no new level. So the best thing we can do when we are seeing these type of movements with no resistance ahead, we just work with whatever we have. So I'm gonna extend the uptrend resistance line a bit here. Per this level, we should be able to technically push a little bit. Let me adjust that a little bit there. That looks that looks better. Yep. You should be able to push to at least 528 or 530 even number before we see any gap down. At market open, I would be sort of cautious with going long, as obviously we never want to chase into a huge gap up like this. Always wait for a pullback. Ideally, would love to see the gap fill down to 523 level, and we can enter calls at any bullish confirmations off of this level. As far as downside, this 522, 522.50 level seems to be a pretty strong set of support. Um, so if we do break this, my next level that I have down really is down to the 520 level, and then we got the 518 level. Looking at this from the hourly chart might make a little more sense since we cut out all the small noises in the smaller time frame. So we got the let me lower this. Yep, that looks better. There you go. So 522, 523 level here. We drop from that level, we go down to 520. Then after that, next real support down is 518. It is possible we reverse off of this 519 level here, but a little more probability if you were to wait till the stronger level. The blue lines are my strong levels, orange lines are my intermediate levels. So we'll go from there. As far as ES is concerned, I'm gonna draw like a short term uptrend line, something like this here. And let's see if we pull back and we hold. This is our previous pivot high, right? 53.22. If we hold and have another break of structure like this, pull back, break of structure, then we can look to go long there. And of course, if we break below this structural trend line, we can expect a pullback all the way down to the 53.08, possibly all the way down to 5300 level. This whole area in general has a lot of buying pressure, lots of lower side wicks, and as you can see in the previous price action, all the pullbacks that we had into these two blue levels, so 5290 and 5300, we sort of struggled to break down. Eventually, we did sort of fade away towards the end of the market, but obviously compared to price actions like this, right, the sell side was definitely weaker. So in these type of structures, bulls are on more on the dominant side, so you never really want to fight the trend. But if you do have a short idea, it would be below 5323 level here down to 5300. The only level we really should worry about is right here, the 5265, 64 level, because this was our major supply zone previous to this breakout, right? Which then broke out. So there's going to be a lot of buying pressures there. So failure to hold that, we could see a pretty aggressive drop all the way down to end of the trend line here, the green trend line, the 5192 area, and we can look to either go long there or short below. We'll see if we do get there, but that is it for me on market structure. There are a couple notable events this week. I think there is a lot of data coming out, so stay tuned. I'll keep the market updated. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know.